Hi guys and welcome back. Today's recipe for breadfruit soup was shared with me by Danica. So I hope you guys enjoy.
So to a pot on medium heat, I'm going to go in with some CGA garlic infused coconut oil. I'm going to go in with some chopped onions. And we're just going to allow this to saute for about 60 seconds. We want the onions to start to get tender. Once the onions start to turn a light brown color, go in with some chopped garlic. And now we want the garlic to soften and get tender. And you don't want to burn the garlic. I'm going to go with one pimento pepper chopped. Mix that in. I'm going to go in with my washed split peas or dal. We're going to season lightly with some salt. Mix that. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of green seasoning and mix that in. And now I'm going to go in with water. You just want enough to boil the peas because you want the peas to start to soften before we can go in with any more vegetables. So we're going to allow this to come up to a simmer and allow those peas to get really soft and tender. So guys, after 15 minutes of cooking, the split peas is nice and soft. So what I'm going to do is use my hand blender and I'm going to pulse this until it's fine and smooth. To this, I'm going to go in with 1 tin of coconut milk. You just want to mix that in. And you want to add in some more water. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add in my chopped carrots and bell pepper. I have a red bell pepper in here also. I'm going to go with my chopped breadfruit. I'm going to go with my favorite seasoning, this Goya adobo. And I'm just going to add some of that seasoning over top. Also going a little bit of turmeric or saffron powder as we call it in Trinidad. And that is totally optional. I just want to give this a really nice yellow color. So you want to mix that in. And we're going to allow this to come up to a simmer. In the meantime, let's work on the dumplings that's going to go into this soup. So to make the dumplings for the soup, we're going to go into our flour with some salt to taste. And the salt is totally optional if you didn't want to put it. And I'm going to go in with some green seasoning. We just want to mix this in to the flour. And we're going to go in with water. What you're looking for is a very firm dough, not soft at all. So for this 1 cup of flour that I have in here, I just use about 1/4 cup of water. Just add as you go, because some flour may take more. Some flour, the different brands you're using, may take less. You don't have to knead it until the gluten forms, just knead it until it comes together. So you want to roll out this to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, unless you like your dumplings thicker. Using my pizza cutter, I'm going to cut this into small squares. So let's check the breadfruit. They look nice. Let's use a knife. So let's just check the breadfruit and make sure it's tender before we put in the dumplings. Okay, so the breadfruit is getting there. By the time we put in those dumplings and it cooks, it's gonna be ready. So now we're just gonna add in the dumplings in there. So just mix in those dumplings. The dumplings are going to take about 5 to 8 minutes to cook thoroughly. So guys, the soup is finished. I'm just gonna top it off with some freshly chopped parsley. I'm just gonna mix that in. You wanna taste and adjust your salt, and this soup is ready to be served. It looks so vibrant and it tastes really delicious. So I can't wait for you all to make this recipe. So make it, leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.